What's up everyone, Rahil Ali of SKR Automotive here. I'm in a Perfect Touch Auto Service with a very special project behind me. It's a 1994 Porsche 911 Turbo. Myself and our team at SKR and Vinny's team here at Perfect Touch has been given the opportunity to work on this car, and we're going to be restoring it to its original state with some custom touches. Not too sure yet what the customer wants to do. May change out the engine for a naturally aspirated engine, we're not too sure yet. In this video, it's going to be one of many where we're going to be taking you through the entire process of the restoration, so we hope you enjoy. So just a brief history on the car before we get started. It was purchased in England in 2003. It was originally dark blue. It was brought to Trinidad. The owner drove it for a few years. Then he decided to paint it yellow. It was used for a few more years. He did a couple of tweaking to the engine. He wanted some more power. He then decided to take it to Miami, where they painted it white and did some more tuning to the engine. It was brought back to Trinidad. Was used for a few more years, and he put it on a lift around 2010, 2011. It's been sitting there ever since. The owner decided he wanted to work on the car, so he took apart the car himself. It's just been sitting here ever since. It's actually in really great condition. Not much visible rust, as you could see on the initial walk around of the vehicle. It's been kept really well. We're gonna put the wheels on, and it's gonna be rolling on the ground for the first time in almost 10 years. So after loading the car on the wrecker, we're gonna be taking it to Perfect Touch Auto Service, where we're gonna do an initial walk around. Dismantling any parts that the owner has left on. We're going to be taking inventory of everything, so we know where everything has to be when it's time to be assembled. We're also going to be checking for any rust damage. We're going to be taking off the body panels to be checking inside where you can't see any visible rust. Hopefully there isn't any, because this shell is in very good condition, so we're hoping that there isn't any rust.
Perfect Touch Auto Service. So as Rahil said, we're restoring this 911 Turbo. Basically we got this car in buckets, garbage bins, the entire car in a shell. So now we're just doing an assessment of what we have to know what parts to order, what parts have to be reupholstered, rebuilt, etc. So most of the body panels are here, the interior is here. So we have a good idea now of where to go. Alright guys, that's it for episode 1. Please follow the links below for Instagram and Facebook. And stay tuned for the next episode where we remove the engine and drivetrain and suspension and get the car ready for sandblasting.